Introducing the 2012 Ford F-250. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, a rear step bumper, a trailer hitch, and much more. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.